Grow better with HubSpot. Software that's powerful, not overpowering. Seamlessly connect your data, teams, and customers on one CRM platform that grows with your business. Get a demo of HubSpot's premium software. Get started free with HubSpot's free tools. Get a demo of our premium software, or get started with free tools. What is HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform with all the software, integrations, and resources you need to connect your marketing, sales, content management, and customer service. HubSpot's connected platform enables you to grow your business faster by focusing on what matters most, your customers. Get a demo to learn about our premium CRM platform features, or get started with our full suite of free tools and upgrade as you grow your whole front office. One CRM platform. HubSpot's CRM platform is made up of 5 core products for marketing, sales, customer service, content management, and operations. Each product in the platform is connected to the same underlying CRM database, providing you with incredible insight into every contact at each stage in their customer journey. Although our products are powerful on their own, the real magic happens when you use them together. Marketing Hub. Marketing automation software to help you drive revenue with high-quality leads, save time and resources, and measure and optimize your marketing investments. Popular features. 1. Lead generation. 2. Marketing automation. 3. Analytics. Learn more about Marketing Hub. Sales Hub. Powerful sales software to help teams close more deals, deepen relationships, and manage their pipeline more effectively. Popular features. 1. Advanced CRM. 2. Meeting scheduling. 3. Quotes. Learn more about Sales Hub. Service Hub. Customer service software to help you connect with customers, exceed expectations, and turn them into promoters who grow your business. Popular features. 1. Tickets. 2. Customer feedback. 3. Knowledge base. Learn more about Service Hub. CMS Hub. Website content management software that's flexible for marketers, powerful for developers, and gives customers a personalized, secure experience. Popular features. 1. Drag and drop editor. 2. SEO recommendations. 3. Website themes. Learn more about CMS Hub. Operations Hub. Operations software that syncs your apps, cleans and curates customer data, and automates processes, so all your systems and teams work better together. Popular features. 1. Data sync. 2. Programmable automation. 3. Data quality automation. Learn more about Operations Hub. Feature Spotlight. Commerce. HubSpot's commerce tools make it easy to send a quote or payment link, accept payments instantly, streamline your tools and processes, and get paid on time, every time. Solutions for every business. Growing a business isn't easy, but we've got your back. Explore some of our customers' top business challenges and learn how HubSpot's integrated software and solutions can help you leave these problems in the past. Drive revenue with high-quality leads. Find out how companies like yours seamlessly attract qualified leads, convert them into customers, and drive revenue. Learn more about driving revenue with high-quality leads. Create campaigns efficiently with automation and AI. Manage campaigns and nurture leads with marketing automation that helps your teams work more efficiently as you grow. Learn more about creating campaigns with automation and AI. Find and engage sales prospects. Find out how sales teams like yours are forming stronger connections, booking more appointments, and building pipelines in less time and with much less pain. Learn more about finding and engaging sales prospects. HubSpot is already easy to use. But we're still here for you. We're here to help your whole team stay ahead of the curve as you grow. 24/7 customer support. Get help by calling, chatting with, or emailing our customer support team.